Greenhouses can get hot. And you might think that that's the point, but in the summer they can get too hot for plants to grow. Join me today as I show you how to install shade cloth on your greenhouse to cool things down. Hi, I'm Gardener Scott, and this is my Planta greenhouse. I love it. It's ideal for growing in spring and fall in particular, but in summer it gets too darn hot. I don't have electricity in this greenhouse, so most of the year it's unheated. But during the heat of summer, I have no way to cool it electrically, so I have to use other methods. The first method is with ventilation. So during the hot times of the year, I have my door open on one side, and on the other side, I have a window and a door to control how much airflow is moving through the greenhouse. And that airflow is helping to cool it down. I also have roof vents. One roof vent is manually operated, and I keep it open all of the time in the summer, day and night. And then I have an automatic vent that will only open when the greenhouse gets too hot. And then it'll stay open to let that heat out. When the greenhouse begins to cool, like now in the morning, the vent will close. The problem is that with that natural ventilation blowing through, and even with the roof vents, the greenhouse still gets very hot. We had a day recently where the temperature went above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside the greenhouse, it was above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, by opening up the greenhouse and allowing the airflow, I'm able to maintain a temperature 10 to 15 degrees hotter than the outside air. Without that, the greenhouse can quickly skyrocket to temperatures that are unbelievably scorching. In previous greenhouses that I gardened in, I was lucky to keep the temperature inside within 20 degrees Fahrenheit of the outside air during the summer. The reason that I can now keep it closer to that 10 degrees is because I added shade cloth to the interior of the greenhouse. This shade cloth helps block out some of the UV radiation, some of that intense heat, and does make the greenhouse cooler. But, don't know about you, this is a little unsightly and it doesn't cover the entire greenhouse. But I found an incredible opportunity to get shade all around and drop the temperature even more. Planta, the company that makes my greenhouse, now has shade cloth to cover the outside of the entire greenhouse. Now, I've been asked in previous greenhouse videos why I didn't put the shade cloth on the outside, why instead I did the inside. And primarily it's because of the high winds that I have here in Colorado, and because I couldn't find one that would fit adequately. This one is sized perfectly to my greenhouse, and it doesn't have to be used only on Planta greenhouses. It will fit greenhouses of this size. To make the installation easier, I'm doing this in the morning when the automatic vent is mostly closed, and I'm closing the manual vent. To see how much sun a shade cloth blocks, I'm taking my PAR meter and I'm holding it up to the greenhouse wall and taking a reading. The reading is 989.6. I've unfolded the pre-sized shade cloth, and now I'm just going to drape it over the greenhouse. A ladder definitely makes this easier, and so I'll just pull the fabric up, loop it to the other side. I'll go ahead and spread it out on the first side. This greenhouse does have some bolts that stick up through the top. So just to ease the cloth off of those bolts, I'm using a conduit to drape across the top to help make the pull from the other side easier. And so now I'll just pull the shade cloth from this side. Now, I do encourage that you use 2 people because it will make the job easier. To do it by myself, I did have to move the ladder and use the conduit to make sure it slipped over the bolts on this side. But the whole process just took a couple minutes. One of the reasons I didn't put a shade cloth on the exterior of my greenhouse before was because I didn't have a good way to tie it down. But Planta figured that out, and the shade cloth comes with these bungee balls. There are grommets all the way around that are perfectly located for tying down to where the upper and lower straps of this greenhouse meet. So I just feed through the hole, and it's as easy as that. If you have a greenhouse that doesn't have the same strap anchoring system as the Planta, you can still use shade cloth like this. In the same grommets, just use a small rope and tie it down to a stake or to hooks that you have in the foundation of your greenhouse. On the back side of the greenhouse, where I get prevailing winds, I went ahead and fed the anchoring bolt into the grommet. If you're wondering about the roof vents, I went ahead and opened the manual vent. It opened fully with no problem. And the automatic vent has already started opening with the heat of the day and looks unhindered. If you're worried that your vents won't open, you can cut a hole and allow the vents to open through this material. This is high-density polyethylene that is designed to resist fraying and tearing and unraveling. It's similar to the shade cloth I use throughout my garden. When you cut it, you can pull in all directions and it holds firm. There's absolutely no unraveling or coming apart at all. If you're concerned about the edge, particularly if you don't like the way it looks, you can do what I did, which is to carefully take a flame and just melt along the edge. This looks neater and still retains all of the wonderful strength. This is 50% shade cloth, which means it cuts the sun's energy in half. And it's already obvious that that is happening. A par reading through this shade fabric is now giving me a reading of 490. And it's only been on for about 30 minutes, and the inside temperature of the greenhouse is just barely above the outside air. I've never seen my greenhouse this cool at this time of day. It's almost high noon. Before I put this on, I was planning on keeping the interior shade cloth in place as well, but it's blocking too much of the sun. A par reading through both shade cloth is giving me a reading of 328. And based on the current temperature readings and my expectations, I'm not going to need that interior shade cloth. It's going to provide enough light for all of my plants, but most importantly, it's going to cool the greenhouse down during these hot summer months. I've got a link in the description below so you can check out the Planta shade cloth. I'm sold. I think it's wonderful, And I think this may be one of the best decisions I've made so far when it comes to growing in a greenhouse. If you want to see some of my other greenhouse videos, go ahead and look at one of these next. I'm Gardener Scott. Enjoy gardening.